Digigraph.
Let's learn about layers and objects in Photoshop. A layer in Photoshop is like a transparent sheet where you can place or create images, text, shapes, or other elements. Each layer can be edited independently without affecting the other layers. Layers allow you to organize and work on different parts of your design separately. You can add, delete, hide, or reorder layers to control how elements appear in the final image. Layers are stacked in a specific order in the Layers panel. The order determines which elements appear in front of or behind others. You can change this order by dragging layers up or down in the panel. Every element you add to your design, whether it's an image, text, shape, or adjustment, is placed on its own layer. Each layer represents a distinct object within your composition. For example, if you have a photo of a landscape, text overlay, and a fencing image or a cartoon image, each of these elements would typically reside on separate layers. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.